This is a Nexus 5. I just replaced the screen, and I may have been a little too rough with the battery when I took all the innards out and replaced it into the new screen housing, because it's doing this kind of loop. Some forums said it's a boot loop, but it's not, because if it was a boot loop, it would be the Google logo and not the battery logo. So I found one forum which mentioned that this could be the battery. Another clue is that if I press the power button on when it's not got a mains cable in it, it does nothing. So I've just ordered the battery, hoping that's going to work. I'll let you guys know. Again, here's my friend's Nexus, taking the back off here, and here's the new battery. So that arrived this morning. There are some better videos online on how to do this. I would recommend watching one of those if you want to dismantle your Nexus 5. Okay, I've just replaced this battery with this one, and it looks like I might have been a little bit too rough on the ribbon cable here, because it is stuck very tightly down on the chassis. You can see on the old one where the tape is, the tape goes all the way around there, and it's very, very sticky. So there you go. If you want to prise it open, use a spudger, a little plastic tool like this, or kind of like a guitar plectrum. You can stick it underneath and gently slide it up. But yeah, let's see if this works. Okay, this is the phone. I've put the back on again, so it's all ready to go. I just need to plug in the charging cable. So here we go. So last time it was just this battery was just doing a loop over and over again. Now it seems pretty solid, and it's charging. So it's half charged. This is excellent news. So this is further than we got before. Okay, it's just one last test now to see whether it works. Let's turn this baby on. Yes! Ah, thank God for that. So yeah, it was a little bit more stressful than I was hoping, but seemed to be working just fine.